In this tutorial, we will be discussing the question, what is family history? But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and click the notification button to see more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments what tutorials and how-to videos you would like to see created in the near future. Family history. What exactly is it? Although the terms genealogy and family history are often interchanged, strictly speaking, if you only collected the birth, death, and marriage dates of your ancestors, you are only undertaking genealogy, not actually family history research. However, as there's no right or wrong way to research your family's history, if this is all the information you wish to obtain, that is perfectly fine. The choice is entirely yours. But if you are anything like me, you love to find out all the details and want to know more than just the birth, death, and marriage dates. So when we are talking about family history, as it relates to the extremely popular and addictive pastime of researching your family ancestry, you are building on the research of genealogy by finding out extra information about your ancestors. This extra information then adds the color or body that allows you to build up a picture of the life story of each of your ancestors, thereby making the lives of each ancestor real and relevant. Family history is the how, the where, the when, and sometimes the why of their existence, and may include information on their everyday lives such as their work, their play, their loves, their fears, and most importantly, their personal relationships. You can also think of it like this: genealogy is like a simple sketch on a piece of paper, while family history is the same sketch with the backgrounds, details, and color added. It also places these events into the context of the social, economic, and historical world in which your ancestors lived, and can sometimes reveal surprising and emotional stories that strengthens your understanding of who you are. This research can then be documented and shared with other family members and is quite often published as a book. This then brings us to the end of this particular tutorial, but there will be many more to come. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, happy hunting.